Hi everyone and happy summer. This is Karen from My Vegan Venue and today I'd like to show you our recipe for zucchini bread pancakes. If you love zucchini bread, you will love these pancakes. Okay, so let's assemble the ingredients. You will need 1 cup of all-purpose flour or gluten-free flour, 1 cup of oats, quick cooking or regular will both work, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and to keep our spices simple, we're using 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon. You'll need 1/2 cup of sugar, date sugar, which is from ground dates, or just regular vegan sugar. If you need to know which sugar brands are vegan, you can search online and easily find those. Just as a note, these are not overly sweet pancakes, so if you like a little sweeter pancake, you might want to add a little bit more sugar, keeping in mind that the syrup or agave nectar that you add will also add additional sweetness. Applesauce, sugar-free or regular, or you can also just use canola or vegetable oil. 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 1½ cups of plain soy milk or other non-dairy milk. We like to use soy milk in our recipes because of the 8 grams of protein that it adds, and 1 small zucchini. For toppings, you can use maple syrup, agave nectar, or other syrup of choice. And if you want some vegan butter or vegan cream cheese as well, they're both delicious. For prep, you need to wash and dry the zucchini, cut off and discard the ends. Use a hand grater or food processor with a shredding blade installed to shred or grate the zucchini. In this recipe, I actually used half shredded and half grated for a nice combination. And then you can start heating your syrup if you'd like in a small saucepan over low heat. Preheat a pancake grill to 350 degrees or a large skillet, non-stick skillet, over medium heat. To mix the pancakes in a large mixing bowl, whisk together the flour, the baking powder, the baking soda, and the salt. Then add the sugar, cinnamon, and oatmeal and whisk to combine. Then add in the milk, vanilla, and zucchini and stir for 1 to 2 minutes or until everything is well combined. This recipe makes a thick batter, so if you prefer a thinner batter, you might wish to add additional milk. If items typically stick to the grill or pan, add a little vegan butter and let it melt. Using a 1/2 cup measuring cup, pour the pancake batter onto the griddle. Use the bottom of the measuring cup to level out the center of the pancakes so that everything cooks uniformly. Cook on one side for about 2 minutes or until bubbles have formed and most of them have popped. Flip the pancakes over and cook for 2 more minutes or until cooked through. Transfer them to a plate and cover with a clean kitchen towel to keep them warm while cooking the remaining pancakes. And remember to add additional butter or vegetable oil to the grill between batches if pancakes start to stick. Serve the pancakes with the warmed syrup and vegan butter or vegan cream cheese. We hope you enjoy this sweet and spicy recipe from our Pancakes in Paradise collection. Remember that each individual can save the lives of over 100 animals a year by going vegan and staying vegan. Please visit us at www.myveganvenue for more pancake recipes, or look for our downloadable Pancakes in Paradise ebook cookbook on Amazon. Thank you and take care.